the snorer is there.
Excuse me, sir. Yes, what is it?
Well, we can't sleep with all of your snoring.
You can't sleep in here.
Why not?
Because this is the snoring room.
The snoring room?
Look, come on, look.
It's the text.
Oh.
Why does he...
Now this is getting ridiculous. We don't need a snoring room, we need a sleeping room.
We need beds, and we need beds now. Could you please press the get out of here button?